In this video, I'll show you how to use Wise with PayPal. Step 1. Open PayPal and go to Wallet. Log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Wallet section. Step 2. Add your Wise card. Select Link a card or bank, then choose Link a credit or debit card. Step 3. Get Wise card details. Open your Wise app, go to the card section, select the cards to use and view card details. Step 4. Enter Wise card details into PayPal. Enter your Wise card number, expiry date and CVV code into PayPal's form and then click Save. Step 5. Verify Wise card with PayPal. Approve the verification charge via the Wise app or by SMS code to link the card successfully. Step 6. Transfer money from PayPal to Wise. To move funds, withdraw your PayPal balance to your Wise account by selecting Wise as your linked bank. Now I have some tips for using Wise with PayPal. Ensure your Wise card currency matches your PayPal balance currency to avoid conversion fees. You can use PayPal for purchases and withdraw to Wise to save on transfer fees. Keep your Wise and PayPal apps updated for smooth integration. And that's how you link your Wise card to PayPal. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments and I'll try to help you.